Before buying a barber chair, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Brick Attic Drafting Chair. Let's kick things off with the Brick Attic Drafting Chair, priced at a very reasonable $79.99. What caught my attention was its sleek black design and the adjustable footrest. If you want a chair that hits the sweet spot of comfort and versatility, this is worth a serious look. This chair features a 15.8-inch cushion, which is great because it's designed to fit most people comfortably. The height can be adjusted from 33.86 inches to 41.75 inches, making it perfect for various users. And the footrest ring? It adjusts too, allowing you to find just the right angle for your legs. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you spend hours in the chair, the right adjustments can mean the difference between comfort and back pain. Honestly, I was surprised by the sturdy metal frame that can support up to 300 pounds. It's stable, thanks to the 5-star costers, which makes it less likely to tip over during busy days. And let's not forget the PU leather. It's easy to clean and looks sharp. However, some users have mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Now, some people complained about this issue, but here's the thing. Once it's set up, it's incredibly stable and comfortable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, but skip this one if you need a chair with a more traditional barber aesthetic. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Babyliss Pro Barberology Apron. The Babyliss Pro Barberology Apron, retailing at $24.99. I was drawn in by its functional design and the promise of keeping your clothes clean while you work. If you want to stay organized and looking sharp while cutting hair, this is definitely worth a look. This apron is water repellent, which is huge when you're dealing with hair products that can be messy. It comes with zippered pockets, perfect for keeping your clippers and shears organized. Imagine not having to dig through your pockets during a busy day. That's a game changer for any barber. Plus, it protects your clothes from salon chemicals, ensuring you look as good at the end of the day as you did when you started. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users mention that the fit can be a bit awkward for larger body types, but honestly, it's an apron. It's meant to be functional first. If you're a barber or stylist who prefers a slim fit, this might not be your best choice. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your tools handy and your clothes protected, but skip this one if you prefer a more traditional or tailored look. For the price, it offers great value for anyone in the grooming industry. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and style. Product number 3, BFTO Black Square Swivel Stool. The third product is the BFTO Black Square Swivel Stool, priced at $44.18. This caught my eye because of its minimalistic design and height adjustability. If you're after a stool that combines comfort with a sleek look, this one's worth considering. This stool comes with a supportive backrest, which is great for long hours of work. The height adjusts from 19.3 inches to 25.4 inches, making it versatile for different tasks. It can hold up to 300 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for most users. The 360-degree swivel functionality means you can move around without needing to get up, which is a real bonus in a busy barbershop. However, I did find that it requires a bit of assembly, and some users noted that the instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's a comfortable and reliable stool. For some, the assembly might be a deal breaker, but if you're patient, it's a solid long-term investment. This is perfect for you if you need a comfortable, adjustable stool for various tasks, but skip this one if you dislike assembling furniture. Given its price, it's a smart buy for any stylist or barber. Now, if you're looking for something that feels a bit more luxurious, the next barbershop chair might really catch your interest.
Product number 4, Artist Hand Hydraulic Barber Chair, which is priced at $199.99. What caught my attention was its heavy-duty construction and stylish design. If you want a chair that not only looks good, but also provides ultimate comfort for your clients, this one deserves a look. This chair features a wide seat size of 18.1 by 19.7 inches, and it can accommodate up to 330 pounds. The high-density foam cushion conforms to the natural shape of the back, providing exceptional comfort during those long haircuts. The hydraulic lift means you can easily adjust the height, making it easy to find that perfect position for your client. Plus, the 360-degree swivel makes it very practical for busy barbers. However, I did find that some users mentioned the assembly could be challenging. Now, some may see this as a hassle, but once it's put together, it's very sturdy and built to last, providing a great experience for your clients. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and stylish chair for your barbershop, but skip this one if you want something that's easy to assemble right out of the box. For what you're getting, the price is justified. Now, if you're still not sold, the next chair might just tick all your boxes.
Product number 5, Outmaster Hairdresser Barber Salon Chair. We have the Outmaster Hairdresser Barber Salon Chair, priced at $207.99. This caught my eye due to its heavy-duty construction and stylish look. If you're after a chair that combines durability with comfort, you might want to pay attention to this one. This chair is designed with a heavy-duty steel frame and is filled with a thick 5-inch high-density sponge, ensuring it's both comfortable and long-lasting. The hydraulic pump allows for a height adjustment of 5 inches, which is super convenient. Plus, the 360-degree swivel lets you reach for tools without having to get up, which is perfect for busy stylists. However, a downside noted by some users is that the seat can feel a bit firm for extended use. But I'd say that the quality and support it offers make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you're looking for something to last. This is perfect for you if you're a serious barber or stylist looking for durability and comfort, but skip this one if you prefer a softer seat right away. For the quality you get, it's a fair price.
So there you have it. We looked at 5 fantastic barber chairs, each with its unique benefits and a few quirks. From budget-friendly options like the Brick Attic Tofting chair to the more luxurious Outmaster hairdresser chair, there's something for everyone. Just think about what fits your needs best, and you can't go wrong.